Want that radiant doll-like glow like Wonyoung's from IVE? Today, I'm recreating her signature K-pop look. This routine isn't just about makeup, it's about preparing your skin to get that flawless finish. Hi, I'm Angie and welcome back to my channel. I'm starting with a toner to hydrate the skin and restore its pH balance after the cleansing. Then I go in with calming pads for that extra boost of hydration because that dewy glass skin finish starts with a well-prepped skin. I gently swipe the cotton pads all over my face to make sure everything is refreshed. Then I follow up with a hydrating serum. After that, I moisturize well to lock in everything. Skin prep is everything, guys. Next, I move on to the base makeup. I use a skin tint to get that natural glowing finish. I concealed my acne marks under eyes and around my mouth area for a brighter and more even complexion. Then I set everything lightly with pressed powder, especially around the T-zone area just to control the shine without losing the dewy glow. For blush, I apply it under my eyes and blend with my finger. Then I mist my face with a setting spray and lightly powder areas where I don't want shine to come through. Now onto the brows and contour. I set my brows in place, then contour my nose, blending from the brow down to the bridge and bringing the line to the tip of the nose to define the look. For eyes, I mix two eyeshadow, blending them all over the lids and dragging them along the last line. Wonyoung's eye look is subtle yet defined. I did my eyeliner off camera, then line the lower lash line, draw in a soft acucile and highlight it. I also curl my lashes, then apply mascara to the both upper and lower lashes. To finish the face, I highlight the nose bridge, tip and the cheekbones. I spray a little toner again to melt the makeup slightly and bring back that glow. I dab some romance lip tint on my cheek for that extra shine. They usually use a dewy balm stick, but I'm working with whatever I have. For the lips, I contour my Cupid's bow to enhance that pout. Then I line my lips. I applied a chocolate set lipstick mixed with gloss. I finished it off with a touch of red lip tint in the center to give that gradient effect. Finally, I set everything again with setting spray and gently powder the spots where I don't want any extra dewiness. And that's the finished Wonyoung inspired look. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more K beauty looks and tips.